Happy Thursday, everybody. It's a good old Thursday, and today for us, it's usually our cheat day, but we kind of haven't been keeping up with it ever since our vacation, not gonna lie. But we do have a little cool disco wall in the background, so now the whole entire kitchen, oh god, I just spoiled it. The kitchen's snowing right now, so that's pretty cool. I'll give you kind of like a little bit of a preview, but oh, I don't want to show this actually. I'm currently all bulked up, so if I look a little bulky, it's because I decided that today is going to be our day where we're going to clean up the outside, and we haven't mowed the lawn since like a while ago, but we're not going to be doing that today, but we're just going to try and clean it up so that when winter is over, it's way less that we have to clean, and then we could just mow the lawn or whatever. So before any more snow comes, we have to go out and get our grill and patio furniture area type stuff.
Yeah, I think that's it. And then I also want to try and get the leaves raked up a little bit. Well,
obviously the leaves, that's what I'm leading to. We're going to be using my leaf blower today because, what was that for? Anniversary? Birthday? No.
I think it was just a gift.
Oh, okay, yeah. Randomly throughout the summer, I got a leaf blower as a present, or maybe it was like the fall, so we're going to head out right now. Should I wear my boots out? I don't know if it's muddy or not. It's like 43 degrees outside, so that's why I'm kind of like layered, but I completely forgot I have my lawn shoes still, so I could easily wear these. Again, these are only like $10, not that much money. They held up the whole entire What? Watch your mouth. They held up the entire summer, and look how nice they are. Look at those shoes. Some vintage, nice, what kind of shoes are these? Not Reebok. Is it Reebok?
No, Collin. It's the hot new brand, Athletic Works. Home of the world's greatest and most stylish athletic shoe, of course. Beat that.
So first up, we have to focus on what's going on in the background. We're gonna clear all this up, and then we're gonna get ready for the blowing. We forgot the Montreal seasoning outside, and I got some bad news. This is what it looks like now. There's like sticks in there. Oh.
Hello?
How did it look?
I think pretty good.
Hot new brand, Athletic Works. It's great. It's stylish. Have no fear. It's Athletic Works. Beat that.
Can't show too much of the front lawn, but this is our pile so far, and there is a huge crater inside of it because I decided to tackle Abby. That'll be uploaded on Instagram very soon, but I might give you a sneak peek at the end of the video. But this is what we have to work with so far. And there's Abby's thigh for size.
It's the hot new brand, Athletic Works. Home of the world's greatest. Beat that.